Hey guys, welcome to Shalom Farms. My name is Erin. I'm one of the farmers here. At Shalom Farms, we're growing lots of fruits and veggies to make sure that all of our friends and neighbors have the food that they need at home. What is your favorite veggie? Mine is asparagus. I love how crunchy and juicy it is, but more than anything, I love how it makes my body feel. So today we're going to talk about all the great things that fruits and veggies could do for your body. Welcome to our demo garden. This is a series of raised beds where we're growing little amounts of lots of different kinds of foods. Richmond is made up of people of all sorts of different cultures and backgrounds, and we want to make sure we're growing food for people that they like to eat and they know how to cook. Here's an example of something we're trying out called edamame. It's very popular in Japan, super yummy soybean. Did you know that you have to try things several times until you know if you like it or not? Also, sometimes you don't like it when it's raw, but you might like it cooked or with a certain seasoning. This is how we get to experiment and play on the farm. Welcome to our herb garden. This place is full of pollinators because of the colorful, smelly flowers. We also love it because we pick herbs that add flavor to our food. This is lemon sorrel, which is super sour, like a lemon or a green apple. That sour flavor means it's high in vitamin C, which is great for our eyes and our skin. Here's another one of my favorite herbs, mint, which I like to put in salads or make a tea out of. Herbs like these with lots of flavor are great to put in our food because they help us avoid things like salt or sugar. These are sugar snap peas, one of my favorite snaps on the whole farm. Let's try it. They're super juicy, crunchy, and full of protein, which is so good for our muscles. On these peas, you can eat the shell, but not on all peas. My favorite way to eat these are raw. Some people like to cook them, put them in pasta, or dip them in hummus. Here we are in one of our hoop houses, and I bet you know what this veggie is. It's a cucumber. Cucumbers are super crunchy and juicy. Juicy fruits and veggies have lots of water in them, which means they're hydrating us and keeping us healthy throughout a hot day. This is curly kale, one of the healthiest leaves on the whole farm. Let's taste it. I can tell it's green. Super crunchy, a little salty. This bright green color tells me it's got lots of iron. Iron is super important for healthy, strong bones. And the crunch tells me it has a lot of fiber. That's super good for our bellies, and it helps us poop. One of the most exciting moments on the farm in the spring is when the strawberries are ready. Let's try one. We want to make sure we find one that's nice and red. Here's a good one. That dark red color tells us it's super good for our heart. It's got the vitamin minerals that keep our blood pumping. Let's try it. Really juicy and really sweet. These natural sugars give us lots of energy. In order to have healthy food, we need healthy soils full of vitamins and nutrients. One of the ways we do that is by planting cover crop. This cover crop eventually decomposes and gets turned back into the soil to feed our soil. Just like we need healthy food, so does our soil. Another way that we create healthy soils in order to grow healthy food for our bodies is through composting. Composting is where we put all of the parts of the plant that we don't eat or that are rotten, and they slowly break down or decompose with the help of decomposers like worms and fungus. And then all that nutrient-dense soil, or humus, is what we put back out onto the field to fertilize for the next generation of food crops. This process is very similar to what happens in our body of our digestion. Thanks for joining me today as we explored the farm together and tried lots of different fruits and veggies. Today I tasted lots of different colors, textures, and flavors. Super important that we eat a wide variety of these foods so we have a wide variety of vitamins and nutrients in our bodies to stay healthy.